This 2026 Keystone Montana 3532 SP is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Salem, Oregon, 97305 and is offered for sale by Highway Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 39 feet 2 inches in length and features a Woodcliff interior, sleeps 4, oven, external shower, LP detector, Slideout, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, water heater, smoke detector, spare tire kit, air conditioning, and 70 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, patio deck, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Keystone Montana 3532 SP is 14,405 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.